Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be planning in my Erin Condren social media planner using colorful boxes and the Womankind sticker book. As I was flipping through this sticker book, I noticed that these florals were cut down in half, and I think these are going to be awesome to place down here on the left hand side, and these ones are going to indicate my videos for the week, and then I'm going to pair it with colorful boxes. I think I want to do black. I really want it to stand out, so black is what I decided to go with. So I think I want to start off with this orange one. And then I'm just going to place it right over here on the edge. So maybe right there. And then I think I want to go with this purple one. And I'm going to have to trim it down in half myself, which I'm already used to, so it's no big deal. And again, I think I'm going to, I don't know if I want to do it on the same side or maybe like this. Yeah, I think I'll place it on the right hand side of this box, maybe like that. And then we'll need another one on Friday. And on Friday, I was thinking of doing the yellow one. So this one is going to go on the left hand side. And so let's see which one else. I think we could do this color right here. And let's trim it down as well. And this one is going to go on this side. So let's see. I'm still trying to work around the fact that I cannot take the pages off of the discs or the coils. So I'm still trying to get used to that part. And then I think we're gonna go with this one. This is much bigger than the other one, so down in half, and then this one I think could go right over here. Okay, so perfect. I think we have all the florals that I wanted, because now I want to go back into colorful boxes and place these maybe just like this. Well, let's get that straight. Okay, there we go. And then this one is going to go on the opposite side. And I'm thinking maybe something like this. I am trying to use these lines to guide me. I just love that it has lines. Okay, so there we go. And now we go on to Friday. And then Saturday is going to go this way. And Sunday is going to go that way. I didn't have a video to go up on Sunday, but now that I've added the Erin Condren Petite planner, that's going to be going out on Sunday. So now, set in stone, I have 5 videos going out for the week. And I'm a little intimidated. That is a lot of videos for me. I do have little boys at home, so I'm barely making it by with 4 videos a week, and now I'm doing 5. So hopefully I'm able to do that, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. So let's go back in here and see what else we could find. Let's see. Okay, so I do see these to-dos, and I'm thinking about adding it on Tuesday and Friday, just like I did last week, just because these ones don't have these right here. So I think it's the perfect little touch. See, there we go, trying to work around these coils. So there's that, and then another to do right over here. Perfect. And so let's see what other little touches we could find. I like these banners right here, so let's see if we could find maybe some more of those. This planner is mostly going to be functional with a little bit of stickers. I am then going to go in with a mile liner and pen just to make it a little bit more functional. So I think these little headers are perfect to just add a little bit something. And I like this one. It says bring on the week, and this one we could place it down on Tuesday. So maybe something like that. And let's see if we could find a weekend. So I do see this one, best weekend ever. And this one, I'm thinking of maybe placing it right up here. So maybe like that. And let's see if we find anything else. I think maybe if I add this little cluster, maybe over here, I think that would be cute. So let's lift this one up, and then we can sneak him in the back. Okay. And maybe just back here. Okay, perfect. I like that. And I'm thinking of putting it over here now. So, did I want to grab the same ones? No, I think I'll go with this one. This one has different colors. So again, let's lift this up. Okay, there we go. And maybe something like this, maybe. Perfect. Okay, that looks much better. That way they're not there by themselves. It just added a little something, and I like that. So anything else? I think that's going to do it. So let's go ahead and move this out of the way. I'm so used to saying, let me put it back onto the disc, but we don't have any discs this time. So I'm loving all the florals. I'm loving that I added the touches of black, and the black will tie in even more once I start writing in with black pen. So that's why I wanted to add these black ones, because I thought the flowers would stand out as well. So I'm loving how simple and how functional these spreads are for me. I am just so excited. It's been working out for me so far, and I just love this layout. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.